All right, Reagan family. So let's take a look at the Perry home. So this one is the model house. It is being sold as is right now. So any upgrades that you see inside of this property are going to be sold as is. As you see, just from the exterior, you have that multi-stone right there. Plus, you have the covered front porch going in. And the good thing about this one is you will have the ceramic tile with a two-car garage and the higher ceilings as well. And then the first place, this will be the study. You got your double French doors right here with the glass pane. And then the good thing is this one story, you will have that ceramic tile throughout the entirety of the property, right? Of course, we'll see what's in the bedroom. So we're seeing this together for the first time, but I'll walk you through it so that way you can see everything going in. Right there to the right, it's a sales office, but it will be converted to a two-car garage. So that's going to be fantastic as well. We'll head right here to the left, and then this essentially is a half bath. This will be converted to something a little bit more nice. This will be the first bedroom. Then you have the LED ceiling fans. Like I said, whatever you see inside of the property, it'll come with for the most part. About 90% of it will. And as we can see, we do have carpet inside of the bedrooms. Then this will be the attached bathroom. You have quartz countertops. You have the beautiful backsplash. You have that ledge right there to prevent any spillage of water coming through the shower itself. Got the beautiful lighting fixture right there. Quartz countertops extend. You have that military green type cabinetry as well. And then even going in here, you have your nice size closet, which is fantastic. And then even right here, you'll essentially have that full bath or that half bath right there. The other one will be converted. And so you don't have to worry about that one. That's more of just because it is a model house. They want to make sure that there's, wheelchair access to the bathroom if anybody comes in per code. And then right here, you utilize this as a media room. You got the chandelier right there. You can even use it as another bedroom, just depending on what you need. But you can keep the French doors on there, make it look nice, or you can open it up, just depending on personal preference. And then we'll go right across right here. You'll have two bedrooms right next to each other, but even in here, you have that beautiful lighting fixture on top. The carpet in the bedrooms again. You have the 5-inch baseboards with the molding right there as well. So you have plenty of space in here. Perry Homes is absolutely known for quality rooms, quality upgrades, quality material, just because they want to live up to their reputation. You know, it takes so long to build up a reputation and it's easily destroyed. So that's one of the things. You have that beautiful chandelier up there, like a candlelight chandelier. Plenty of space in here again. And then I'll pan right here so that way you can see how much. Uh-oh. I hate one of those door stoppers. Bigger. And then let's see inside of here. You have a nice size walk-in closet. So this would be perfect. As you can visualize, it being a nursery, you have plenty of space, plenty of room for all the furniture. And this will be a full bath right here. You got the countertops in there. Again, you have that light gray cabinetry with the ceramic tile extending in here as well. And then even in the foyer, you have the beautiful chandeliers going up to the 12-foot ceilings. And then this will be the formal dining, beautiful lighting fixture right here as well. Adds definitely a nice touch, even with the draperies. Looks fantastic. Now the draperies would go, but just gives you a basis of if you want to buy your own. All right, before we head to the kitchen, you'll see you got a nice size walk-in pantry. And then you have your beautiful kitchen, which is open to the living room. But we'll start in the kitchen right here. You have your nice oversized island, quartz countertops. Then you have your wooden range hood, beautiful cabinetry with the glass pane to add a nice accent to it. Backsplash, tile backsplash. You got your 5-burner stainless steel built-in cooktop. And then you have the black handles right there. You have the stainless steel built-in oven and built-in microwave as well. Stainless steel refrigerator. Definitely adds a nice touch. You got the 2 blowout glass lighting fixtures again in there. And then this will be your breakfast area right here. All these windows to add a lot of natural light, especially in the morning time, whenever you got the family in here, or you're cooking breakfast. Perfect. And then even right here, you have your electric fireplace. You got plenty of space to entertain the family. You got your nice LED ceiling fan again. Absolutely fantastic. I think it definitely adds a nice color scheme. You have that neutral colors, so that way just has that more luxurious vibe, elegant vibe. And then even peeing in right here, you can see how beautiful that is. Okay, now let's head to the primary bedroom. Got your candlelight chandelier up there again. Plenty of walk-in space. This one, the ceramic tile, it does continue in here, which is great. Let me know what you think about that. If you think you like carpet in the primary bedroom, or if you'd rather ceramic tile. Absolutely gorgeous. And then, of course, right here, you have your sliding door right there going into your ensuite. Got a decent amount of space in here. You got your soaking tub right here with a tile all along there. His and her sink with the darker cabinetry again. Quartz countertops. You have your toilet right there. And then you even have your walk-in shower right here. Got a decent amount of space. Not too much, but pretty decent. And then you got your stainless steel shower head over there as well. And this will be your walk-in closet. Carpet in here. So you got a decent amount of space. So of course, this one does have a lot of the upgrades. So the price is subject to change, but that may be why, well, that is why the price may be a little higher than anticipated. But this just gives you a basis of a lot of the key upgrades that you have in here, why it would be that much. You can only imagine. If you've seen it in person, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And then we'll go out to the backyard, to the covered backyard patio. Right here, you have that ceramic tile, comes along here, extends in here, gives it that nice elegant vibe, the nice elegant feel. You'd absolutely love it. I think the material is great, extremely durable, how I mention all the time. Plenty of space to entertain. And even overlooking this way, you have that lake view, which is definitely nice. You definitely won't regret it. Can you imagine drinking some coffee out here? You got your walkway as well. You don't have access to it, but you go literally walk around the side of your house and you'll be good to go. And that, folks, is Perry Homes. All right, Rankin family, I hope you absolutely love that. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Of course, if you want more information, I have all of it in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.